Right, so this is my setup for my primary mirror for my telescope that I'm making. Pretty much what I have is three bolts here, and then I've got springs that go over top of the bolts, and I cut them down. They're about an inch, I think, in length, just so that you can adjust the position of the mirror. And they sit on the bolt just like so. You can see on the how I've got it set up, maybe you can't, but yeah. And I have a washer in between so the springs don't push through into the holes. And then I use spring nuts. They'll go on the other side of the board where this thing's mounted. So they'll be on the outside of the telescope. For this part here, this part that holds the mirror in place, I've got three bent over picture frame things, picture hooks, and they're like this. And what I do is I have this side here bent over at a 90-degree angle so that it holds the mirror in place, and then I cut this part here, so I bent that back and forth until it snaps around there. And then the good thing about this is you put the screw in there so it holds it in place. So you can see there I got the screw and it kind of sits on top of this part here and holds it in place. And then for this part here I also put some foam, just ripped it off an old computer chair, and just a little bit, and taped it in. I folded the electrical tape over so it was sticky on both sides, and then stuck it in there, and just so it doesn't scratch the mirror or anything. And not really sure if that's gonna affect it having such a big thing on top of the mirror. If it does, I guess I'll just have to take them off and break one side off so it's not so big. But yeah, and then I'll show you how it mounts in. Hopefully I can get it on easy enough. It's kind of tricky holding like the springs and everything in place and trying to put them in, but yeah, give it a crack.